all the youngsters and of course their parents, listen to this. आपने आपके आसपास ऐसा एक यंगस्टर देखा होगा कि that person is in a relationship with someone and throughout the day they'll keep texting each other, they'll keep calling each other, you feel they are very close to each other, they might have actually thought of a future with each other. लेकिन एक मोमेंट आता है कि उनका जो रिलेशनशिप में उनके साथ जो है दैट पर्सन सेज आई रियली लाइक यू और यू नो आई एम इन लव विथ यू एंड द मोमेंट दैट हैपन्स दिस पर्सन टेक्स अ स्टेप बैकवर्ड and suddenly that person thinks, oh my god, ये क्या हो रहा है, I'm not prepared for this, I need my space and maybe I'm not sure if that person is the right person for me. ऐसे कभी ना कभी कहीं ना कहीं तो देखा ही होगा ना आपने. और अभी मुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि this could actually be because of the way you are developing your attachments, है ना. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कंसेप्ट है. तो अगर आपके आसपास ऐसे लोग हैं या आप इसमें से हैं तो ये जो हम बात करने वाले ये बहुत ही आपके लिए रेलिवेंट है. So let's ask my psychology expert a few questions around this. तो ये क्यों होता है ऐसे? How do we get attached in relationships और उसका क्या असर होता है?
So there was the attachment theory very popularly given by a person called Bowlby, and he said that attachment basically is dictated by how you experience these close relationships in your family in your childhood.
Okay.
So basically, how you experience relationships at a later stage in your life outside of childhood depends on how you faced them earlier.
ठीक है, मतलब बचपन में जैसे हमारे रिलेशनशिप डेवलप हो रहे हैं हमारे पेरेंट्स के साथ, हमारे सिबलिंग्स के साथ,
It kind of guides you for the future.
उनका थोड़ा सा
It
असर
becomes a
होता है,
template.
एक आपका टेम्पलेट बन जाता है और उस हिसाब से आप आगे रिलेशनशिप बनते हैं. यही है ना? ठीक है.
So Bowlby conducted this experiment. He called it the strange situation experiment.
Strange.
Yes, strange.
Okay.
Because he introduced a stranger in the life of children.
Okay.
So it occurred in 4 stages. First, in a lab setup, the child and the mother were introduced in the room. Then the mother was asked to leave and the child was alone. Then a stranger was introduced in the room. And then the mother was reintroduced at the end.
Okay.
So first stage, child and mother. Second stage, child alone. Third stage, child and stranger.
Okay.
Fourth stage, all 3 of them.
Interesting.
Right.
तो क्या हुआ उसमें?
He found 4 different kinds of reactions from the child.
Okay.
Child being very young, about 2 or 3 years at most.
ठीक है.
The first situation was that the child was a little restless when the mother left, but still had faith in his or her own ability to be able to be alone. Then when the stranger was introduced, the child was still somewhat comfortable. He was a little cautious about the stranger because he doesn't know, but eventually he warmed up to the stranger, and when the mother came back, he was happy to see the mother. But it's not like any of the reactions were very extreme.
Okay.
So he was a little uncomfortable when the mother left, and he was happy to see her, of course, but healthy. And the discomfort that he experienced wasn't very extreme.
ठीक है.
So this he called secure attachment. And this is what a healthy relationship of a
Looks
child
like.
and a mother looks like.
Okay.
What it should be like. The next type that he saw was that the child and the mother, when they were introduced in an environment that was new to the baby, he was skeptical, he was clinging on to his mother. When his mother left, he completely lost it. He was crying, throwing toys around, entirely inconsolable.
Right.
When the stranger came, he was very uncomfortable, didn't even play with the toys, didn't bother to do anything, just sat in a corner and cried. And then when the mother came back, the child was upset because how dare you leave me? But then when she came back, he was clinging on to her the entire time again.
मेरी माँ आ गई.
Meri maa aa gayi, I'm safe, but how dare you leave me?
Right.
So this he called anxious.
Okay. So the child, the attachment is anxious.
Right.
ठीक है, मतलब मम्मा गई तो एकदम अनकंफर्टेबल हो गया, एक्सट्रीम ड्रामेटिक.
Right.
मम्मा वापस आ गई तो इन अ वे वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज माई मॉम इज बैक, बट ऑल्सो अरे व्हाई डिड यू लीव मी. ठीक है. So
Right.
दो हो गए.
2 हो गए. The third one is when the child comes in with the mom, they're clinging because it's a strange environment again. But when the mother leaves, again they're very restless, very hyper. When the stranger comes in, again they're kind of hyper, but they eventually warm up a little bit to the stranger. And when the mother comes back in, they're inconsolable even by the mother for a while.
सो मम्मा वापस आने के बाद भी कुछ बहुत इमीडिएटली अच्छा पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आया चाइल्ड
Immediately, nahi, but eventually
ओवर टाइम
it came.
हाँ
This is what he called a anxious resistant. So, like, I'm glad that you're back, but I'm going to be mad at you for a longer time.
हाँ हाँ ओके क्यों
That's
छोड़ के गई मुझे
हाँ.
वो थोड़ा सा दिमाग में है अभी भी।
Yes, that stays.
ठीक
In
है.
the anxious, it didn't stay very long. It was pretty immediate. Ki, ha, my mom is back.
So this is anxious
Resistant.
resistant okay
And the last one was disorganized, where they couldn't really see a fixed pattern. As such.
तो कुछ भी हो सकता है
कुछ भी हो सकता है, yeah. They could either be happy that the mom is back, or they could be upset that the mom is back. They could be very upset that the mom is left, or they could be happy that the mom has left. They may or may not warm up to the
no
stranger.
specific pattern so very random
Yes.
ठीक है तो इसका असर होता है क्या अपने लाइफ में
बहुत होता
होता
है.
है
Yes.
बाप रे कैसे
Based on this experiment, the terms, these attachment styles, were given by a doctor called Mary Ainsworth, and her theory was taken forward by another pair of scientists, and they gave how this looks in adult life.
okay
So depending on your which attachment you have as a child from all of these four, you develop a sense of yourself and a sense of the surroundings, like people around you. And if this sense is either positive or negative for either, it dictates how you react, basically.
okay
So it was kind of given in a graphical format, like 4 quadrants.
हाँ
So if you have a positive sense of self and a positive sense of others,
हाँ
then you have a secure attachment.
okay
So I have faith in my abilities, and I have faith that other
Others.
people are not out to hurt me.
ठीक है तो that is secure
Right.
समझ गया
Then there is a positive sense of self, but a negative sense of others.
ठीक है
So this is what was called dismissing.
dismissing
Right.
okay
So I,
मतलब मैं तो स्टड हूँ तुम लोग
in a way, yes,
है ना
not stud as such, but
I know what I'm doing
I am the only one who is capable of
I'm
taking care of
confident about
myself.
myself how I take care of myself
Nobody else can take care of me. I
Okay.
cannot depend on anyone else.
हाँ,
I
ऐसे
have to do everything myself.
ऐसे होते हैं कुछ लोग जो बाकी लोगों को नहीं अलाउ करेंगे मैं कर लूँगा अपना अपना जो भी है राइट
Right.
ठीक है और
Then there is a negative sense of self, but a positive sense of others.
करेक्ट
So they don't trust in their abilities, but they trust in people around them.
पीपल अराउंड हाँ ठीक है
So these are very particularly clingy, neurotic. They need constant reassurance. They're suspicious.
तो इसका क्या नाम है
This is called preoccupied. They're very invested in that particular relationship.
ठीक है
They attach their entire sense of self in that relationship, which is why preoccupied.
फिर चौथा बचता है
The fourth one is having a negative sense of self and others.
दोनों नेगेटिव
Yes. This is called fearful.
fearful
Right.
okay
They think that they don't deserve to be cared for, and they also think at the same time that other people are incapable of caring for them. So they technically end up like isolating.
हाँ मतलब
Yeah.
कोई भी मदद नहीं कर सकता ना खुद कर सकते ना किसी और पर इनफ फेथ है कि वो कर पाएंगे वाह तो मुश्किल है इनको तो है ना अमेजिंग
Right.
so much is happening and people can react or respond in so many different ways and
Exactly.
a lot would depend on their initial interactions and the way they get attached to their parents and so on wow this is a little eye opener क्योंकि हमें एज पेरेंट्स पता ही नहीं है कि हमारी अलग अलग पेरेंटिंग स्टाइल्स के वजह से ये सब हो रहा है और वो जो इनिशियल कुछ साल है जिसमें ये सब डेवलप हो रहा है उसमें अगर बहुत मेजरली कुछ गलत हुआ तो दैट कैन बी डेट्रीमेंटल इमेजिन द चाइल्ड इज़ गोना ग्रो अप एंड गोना बी विद दिस थ्रू देयर लाइफ सो एक इतना इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर है जो हमें पता ही नहीं है, और दैट कैन हैव अ लाइफ लॉन्ग इफेक्ट ऑन योर चिल्ड्रन. बाप रे,
That's why parents have the toughest job.
they have, and they are
No
not,
scope to make a mistake.
but unfortunately we don't even know whether we are qualified or not. We don't know how do we train ourselves. इसके लिए कोई इंटरव्यू नहीं है, इसके लिए कोई कोर्स नहीं है, पता नहीं. Still somehow I think many or probably most people are turning out to be all right. ये एक ही मेरे लिए ना बहुत सरप्राइजिंग भी लगता है, कभी कभी क्यूरियस भी हूँ मैं कि इतनी चीज़ें गलत हो सकती है, फिर भी फॉर्चुनेटली बहुत सारी चीज़ें सही हो रही है. दिस इज़ अमेजिंग, है ना.
Completely.
So yeah, that's about attachment styles, guys. Hope you liked it. और कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे करते रहेंगे. Cheers.